So this is going to be a room review of the Horseshoe Hotel. This is a king fountain view room. So we're going to start off in the bathroom. So it's a kind of spacious bathroom. Have a nice lighted mirror, small makeup mirror, sink, extra towels, your hair dryer, your toiletries. You have your bathroom right here. This one does not have a telephone in it. You have your shower, pretty decent size. This kind of a frosty glass door. As we come out, you have your closet with your ironing board, your iron, your safe, sliding door. A lot of people don't know this used to be the old Bally's. Before that, it was I believe the original MGM. So as we walk in, like I said earlier, this is the king size room. So this is your bed, nice little bench in front. Have a little desk, whatever you want to call it. Have a 42-inch TV. Up under here, you do have a refrigerator that is empty. For Vegas, that is rare. So you actually have a refrigerator that you can actually use. One of the few rooms on the strip that you can actually do that now. So, pull out drawer. For another long desk with a lamp, USB charging, regular plug-in. I forgot to show you. On the side of this, you have USB chargers, plug-ins, HDMI ports. So you can hook up to the TV. You have your desk chair, two little captain chairs and a small table. Here's your bed. So now I'm going to show you the fountain view. So this is your fountain view. Technically, they're not lying. I mean, you probably can see the fountains right here. That's about it. Because this building is in the way, but that's the fountain view that you get. This window do open about an inch to let fresh air in if need be. The bed it's a pillow top bed. As we go over here, you have your phone, another little lamp, and then you have your climate control. So that pretty much concludes a room review of the Horseshoe king size fountain view room.